What's up, guys? First winter over here down south in the Rio Grande Valley. It's 66, was 48 this morning. Ooh. You just heard a little bit of, what do you call it? Jimmy Oaks called it the other day on his friend's car. The oil wasn't hitting in all cylinders, in all ports of the oil, so it kind of like struggled right there. Oh, I forgot what he called it. A little bit of lack of oil of startup, something like that. But it did it. I don't know if you guys heard it. I am changing the oil, guys. When I get it, I'll tell you what kind of oil it is. But I am changing it because the oil that I'm using is too thin, guys. And right now it's up to 50 psi. The other day it was like 5, 10, 15. It was like 10 psi, which is supposed to be 20. Don't even quote me on that because I haven't done even research on that, because this video's on the fly. I'm just uploading it because it's cold. It was like 48 this morning, October 28th. And yeah, I don't want to say it's the first cold front, because I think like a couple weeks ago of like beginning of October a cold front came in. So yeah, I'm gonna let it warm up. Oh, that was a bad noise. Like lately, the only reason why I would be making that noise, guys, like I've been saying, the oil that I was using before, it was too thin and it burns it up, because the miles, check out the miles, 263,000 what, 01, so 263,000 miles. So the oil, I need a thicker oil, so I'm gonna do some research, and then I'll go back to that video, and I'll probably do a video on that, guys. Oh, and then my power steering cap popped off. I lost it helping my friend Petey. His car got stranded, so like I was helping him. It popped off before. It could have popped off coming from my mom's to Petey's to help him, or when I was helping him, because I remember I turned, the truck stalled because the oil pressure was too low. I actually got that. Got a little coil there too. That's coiled up like that so there could be some play in it, you know, because if the line moves from inside, you know, it won't just be a straight line. It'd be a lot of tension on the fitting itself. But yeah, when she's fully warmed up, she'll open up the little valve, guys, on the manifold. I still gotta upload that video, guys. No one nowadays not people that I know, I don't got no computer, so I can upload from there. And I don't know if I could. Maybe I can. But and then I don't think it helps either that it's in an incline. So I don't think, depending where like the oil pickup line is, and maybe it's like, I've never seen it before. Maybe it's in the front where maybe it's like dry, and because this truck takes 7 quarts, a little bit more than 6.5 if you lift up the front and drain it all the way back, because the drain hole is like, the pan kind of like contours, comes out like straight and then goes down and then like that. So like, or is it like, no, it's up. Yeah, it's up, which means it comes out like that. So yeah, you just tilt the truck up and it just all just comes out, you know. Matter of fact, can we see it? Actually, it'd be a good See, check it out. It's right there. So like doing it here would be good. I just gotta get a deep oil pan. That's it, guys. So I lost the cap, guys, and I got another cap. Oh, you know what? I threw that box away. This is the part number, guys. This is the new cap I got for the power steering pump. Because I think my uncle said that I need a new power steering pump. Because it makes like a whining noise, but it did that in the beginning when I got it. No black smoke, baby. No black smoke, gang. Where you at? Ooh. So, yeah, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, the power steering pump is not working. Maybe it's the gearbox. And the three on the tree column converted to a floor shifter column. I don't know why I'm doing that. But yeah, this is what is it? 82582. So this is the Dorman. Dorman's coming out with some good stuff. They've been out forever, these caps, but that's the first time I've seen it. I think it's the first time I use that kind of power steering pump. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna throw it away. But that's the part number. And since the radiator is nice and cool, like oh, okay, she settled down already. That's a bumper going because it's loose. Look at the bumper. That, guys, that, and it needs a little tune. Like I need to clean the spark plug, get some carburetor cleaner, clean the spark plugs, put some dielectric grease on the spark plugs, you know, clean the distributor, the little darn it, I forgot what it's called. This distributor. And yeah, she's barely getting warm. Can't see. Shadow in the way. Barely getting warm. Alright, guys. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you that it was a very bad cold start. I should have checked the oil. I should have pushed it back and checked the oil, but I didn't. Yeah, she doesn't like this oil once it warms up. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.